This is it. This is it! The biggest tree in the whole rainforest!
It's so tall, Leo. What if we fall?
We won't! I found a perfect climbing stick.
He never looks down. Someone has to. I'm coming with you, but slow.
Slow is for snails!
Baby macaws. Look at their little gray heads.
And that hive! There must be so much honey inside. It's glowing.
We should just watch. The parents will come back. Leo, don't!
Uh-oh.
A bear! It smells the honey!
What do we do? We're stuck!
They're helping us! The macaws are keeping it busy!
Climb down! Now!
Don't stop! Keep moving!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to break anything.
We both climbed. We both should have known. Thank you!
Thank you, bird family!
Next adventure, we look first with our eyes, not with sticks.
Deal.